Namaste, Prema from LG Electronics. Today I am making a recipe of wheat cookies. So for wheat cookies, for the ingredients, so here I have taken for 50 grams of sugar powder, 100 grams of butter, 150 grams of wheat flour. So no preservative add on this one. So now first we can mix with the, so here I can take a bowl, we'll add a sugar and we'll add for the butter. So butter just you can make it for the room temperature. Don't melt the butter. So just you can beat nicely for this. So beat it with a spatula only. Don't use for the blender anything. So sugar also you can make only for the homemade sugar made a powder. So don't use for the icing sugar, because when you are using a icing sugar, so they have a chances to your cookies get little bit hardness. So while meeting this, see, you can get for the creamy quality. So for this one, no baking powder, no baking soda, nothing is there. Okay, so this is a cream is ready. So this is same cream you want to apply for the creamy also, you can use it for this. Now for this I can add for the wheat flour. So first we can add for the little bit wheat flour, mix well. Later on we can add it for the everything. So don't add full one time, because normally once you can add it everything, it's a mixing is very difficult to mix well. So we'll add it for the entire thing. You can knead nicely for this. After the kneading, whatever you want to make the shapes, you can make the shape for this. Okay, so this is, you can knead like this. This is your dough get ready now. So now before making for the shapes, so here I am using for the low grill rack. So using a multi-cook pan. So here first we can do for the preheating. Preheating I can set your convection, will set for the 200 degree. Start the button for 2 times. It goes to the preheating process. So while the preheating get done, so we can make a shapes. So shape according to your style of shapes you can make it on this. So we'll make it for the goal. Just you can make a goal and keep. So after the baking it gets spreads easily. So either you have a shape cutter also, you can use the shape cutter. Make for the goal shape of that. In this you want to give for the any shape, just you can take for the pole. So you can press like this. So designer you want to make, you can make it for the designer also. Okay, see, similar like this. Suppose you want to make for the only maida cookies also you can use it. Multigrain attals also you can use it. Either only ragi cookies you want to make, you can make for the ragi cookies. Either you want to mix it for the both, like your ragi, maida, wheat, both also you can mix it and make it on that one. So this is a similar cookies you want to make, like you want to make for the kara cookies, salt, sweet, coconut, anything. So only for the, when you are adding for the salt and masala, you can reduce the sugar quantity. So other recipe, same quantity you can use it and make. So now it will be for the preheating option is that. So this is come for the 186. So it will become for the 200 degree. So until unless 200 degree will become, so don't worry for that one. So once it will become for the 200 degree, open the door, Keep it your low grill rack with a multi-cook pan. Close the door, set the time and start the button. And the second thing, when you are using for the preheating, after the preheating program, so once the 200 is done, it's a beep comes to that. So don't press the start button. Suppose when you press the stop button, entire program will be changed. So when it will become for 200-degree preheating, directly just open the door, keep your cookies inside, close the door, set the time. So see, now it comes to the 200-degree, it comes to the beep. So once the beep will become, we'll open, we'll keep inside, close the door, set the time for 15 minutes.
Okay. लो यार पकड़ो ऐसा ही पकड़ो.
ಓಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೈಕ್ರೋವೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಒನಿಡಾ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಂದ ತುಂಬ ಹಳೇದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ last 20 seconds is that. So your cookies get ready. Send. You can see for your cookies. See how it will become for the yummy. So with the designer also it will become. Okay. Thank you.